Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel Beginner's Choice. So here today we will be seeing what are the basic features of your laptop or the computer. So first, when you switch on your computer, you can see an interface opening as shown in the video. This interface is known as the desktop interface. Now here you can see the shortcut icons of all the required settings and required applications that you will be using in this system. Let's see one by one. If you go to the left side corner, you can see the Windows icon. In this system, I'm using Windows 10 operating system. So the icon will be in a blue color as of this. So when I click on it, you can see a window of this sort is opening. So let us see what are these icons. Here you can see a power button. When you click on the power button, it three modes which you can use. To shut down the PC, you just have to click on the shutdown. To restart the PC, you have to just click on the restart button. Now if you are not using your laptop for a long time, you can put it in the sleep mode also. Okay. These are the applications which are being installed in your system. So if you want to use any application, you can come to the Windows icon and go to the respective application. You can scroll down and see which are the applications installed in your system. Okay. These are easy click icons which you can select for easy access of your applications. At the bottom you can see a small ribbon. It is known as the taskbar. The taskbar shows which all applications are open in your system. Like now I have a Google Chrome open in my system, so it's showing there in the open condition. And in the right corner you can see some features like that of your battery, how much battery charge you have and what is the remaining. Then you have the Wi-Fi access. If you click on the Wi-Fi button, you can see to which Wi-Fi you are connected, and from here you can also switch on and off your Wi-Fi and even go to airplane mode. Then we have the sound icon. If you click the sound icon, you can increase and decrease the volume of the sound of your system. Then you have the time and date over here. Okay, this taskbar you can shift to all the angles of your PC. That is, if you just click and drag it to the right side, it will move there. If you click and drag to the top, it will move there. So according to your wish, you can place it. Now let us see these icons one by one. The first icon you can see over here is this PC. So if you want to navigate through your different folders of your system, and if you want to have a good control of your system, you have to go to this PC. When you double click on this PC, you can see a window opening of this sort. This is the My Computer or this PC window. And here you can see some drives, local disk C, new volume E. These are the storage drives of your system. And in C is specifically designed for your operating system. The operating system of your computer or laptop will be stored in the C drive. So never try to store any data or any kind of information in the C drive. You can store it in the other drives which you have, either E or F, whatever it is. Now let's go to the E folder. Here you can see some folders. So let's see how to start a new folder, how to open a new folder. Right click your mouse, you will get a taskbar like this. Then you can see a new option. In the new, you can see the folder. So click on the folder and a new folder is being opened. And you can rename it according to your wish. So I'm putting it my name. Okay. So this is how you rename a folder in Windows. Okay. Now I am going inside this folder. Inside this folder, now if I want to open a new document, like a Word document from Microsoft, just click New and go to Microsoft Word document. So a new Word document is being opened in the folder Garish. So put the name whichever you want. Okay. So that is how you open new folder or applications. Now if you want to copy this app into some other page, or some other folder, just click over there and click right button. Then you can see cut and copy option. If you want to move it permanently, click on cut, or if you want to move it only a copy of it, the main one will be remaining here, just the copy I want to take it off. So click copy, and you want to paste it in a different space, so just navigate back, and if you want to paste it here or wherever you want to paste it, go to that area, again click right click, you can see paste option, click on the paste option. Yes, you can see that file has been placed over here now, but it is also there in the other folder which we created earlier. You can see it is also here. See what will happen if you are cutting it, pasting it. So let's do that once again. I clicked here, then I am clicking the right click button. I am clicking on cut option now. I clicked on the cut, I took it back, and again I can't paste it here because the same name you can't save two files of the same type. So I'll be placing it in a different folder in the animation. Right click and I'm pasting it. So it is there here now in the folder animation. We'll go back to the other folder, master folder, and see if it is there. See, it is not there. So this is the cut and copy function in your system. Now we'll see how the delete function is used. So for that, you click on that particular file which you want to delete and right click it, and you can see the option delete. Once you click the delete icon, it will be deleted, but this is not a permanent delete, because whatever you have deleted you can get it in the recycle bin. There is an icon called recycle bin over here in the desktop. If you double click on it and open, you can see that file over here. It will be there still in your system. Show you how to permanently delete that file. So one more file we have pasted in the animation folder, that one we are going to delete it permanently. I click it over here, press the shift button in your keyboard, and there is a delete button also in the keyboard. Click it simultaneously and it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? If you want to permanently delete this file, just click on yes, and the file will be deleted permanently. So this is how you delete a file permanently. Now we'll see the features regarding minimizing and maximizing a window. You can see this window over here. Okay, you can see three icons in this corner. The first one is minimize, means dropping down that particular window and showing your desktop. See what has happened when I clicked on it? You can see your desktop. Now if you want to gain it again, just click on it in the taskbar, it will appear. If you want to reduce the size of this window, just click this second button, reduce. This is known as maximize, and okay. Now if you want to close this particular window, you have the undo icon, just click on that and that particular window will be closed. So these are the functions, three basic functions: minimize, maximize and close. Also you can click on this top area to minimize and maximize. See what I am doing? I am just double clicking and it is becoming large and small. Okay, so that's a small basic of the operating procedures of your system.